Hi, this is Fiona. Welcome back to Rongroup channel. Today, let me show you something special. Have you ever seen the crystal flowers like a ginkgo leaf? Have you ever used ginkgos to decorate your dish? In these videos, I will show you something mysterious for you. Mentions of the ginkgo biobite. It is a plant that's good in China. It's a special of China. Ginkgo's biobite is also wearable taro cheese. Can also be used as a garden cheese and street cheese. Ginkgo cheese generally starts to sprout out in March to April, born in April to May, and matures in September to October. After October began to fall. When ginkgo leaves fall, it is also a very beautiful scent. The leaf colors of ginkgo's leaves is unique and beautiful. The leaf shape is fan-shaped and symmetrical. I have in my hand something very special that we talk about today. We carry ginkgo leaf in our plants, just 90% fresh flowers. As we talk about the leaf shades of ginkgo's bio is fan-shaped and symmetrical. The leaf splits and matures into one and upright, which is regarded as a symbol of harmony and collaborations and implies harmony and unity. The leaves of ginkgo's biobites are shaped like hearts, and leaves are divided and unified, indicating that no matter how separate they will be together, they can be used to express endless love, respective interest love. Ginkgo cheese grows slowly and lives a long time, so ginkgo's leaves symbolize hard and long teeth. So we have the adverse idea of putting the ginkgo leaf element, which is such a beautiful metaphor for us, on our plants. So how do we present ginkgo leaves on our plants? On this point, we did a lot of thinking. If the ginkgo leaves directly made into brick paper pressed on the plant, so it seems more odorous and boring. Therefore, in the end, we integrate the crystal grace to resource the sense of the ginkgo's bio leaves falling on the ground. Sometimes spurious and sometimes descending, force the expressions of the crystal grace. Crystal grace is a technology that was developed during the Song Dynasty in China and has been used for writers for a long time. We hope these technologies can be applied to our plants as well. You will see 5 colors. Crystal gold. We really restored the autumn time ginkgo's biobite leaves fall. The ground is full of golden sands. Crystal wine. To create the ginkgo's leaf falling in snowflake, dancing, cried, and magnificence. Crystal blue. A color that adds the feelings of movie special effects. Crystal pink is a very tender whistle. Crystal green, this is that ginkgo has in spring. The ginkgo leaves on each plant are different and unique, which is nature's art. You can see this one is very dense. This one is spice, this one is France, this one is Portuguese, and this one is round. which is exactly what we all had in Ginkgo's day. About the shade, solo plants for size for surface plant. Soap plants, as the name implies, for soap. Hand-shaped plants, which usually is for pastas or the soap. Tableware for some cold dish or noodles. Calabash solar balls, like the calabash, usually is for Japanese restaurant. Egg-shaped plants, plants for fried food or fried pastries. Wind ball, single ball for rice, short or sauce. Also, cup has the Ginkgo crystals with fat. And our bowl stone for hot dish, add petals in under the underneath to keep the dish to keep warm. And so on. If you want to learn more, please like up the little heart below and subscribe us and leave the message to us. Thank you for watching.